In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if the VLC Media Player is not showing thumbnails. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is right-click in the playlist window on the VLC Media Player, and then select Playlist View Mode, and then select Icons. And that should hopefully be it. If you're having a Windows-related issue, you may need to open up File Explorer. So open up the search menu first and type in File Explorer. Go ahead and select that from the search menu search results. And then once that is loaded, there should be a three-dotted icon near the top right corner. It says See More when you hover over it. Select it, and then select Options at the bottom of this menu. Select the View tab at the top, and then there should be something underneath Files and Folders that says Always Show Icons, Never Thumbnails. So if you want to show thumbnails, you want to go ahead and make sure that is unchecked, and then you would select Apply and OK to save, and that's all you should have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.